So next our ways is the water transport. India is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal, the Indian Ocean and the Arabian Sea. Means what India covered by the Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea. It has a coastline about 6,000 kilometer long. Indian coastline is well connected to the whole world through many waterways. It also provides many inland waterways for domestic trade. Domestic trade means that many waterways using for the trade, and it that coastline is connected in the whole world. Its features of the transport: the water transport plays an important role in development of international trade. Means from one country to another country, the water transport playing the important role, the trade of one country to another country. It possesses high load carrying capacity, means very high load can take by the water transport. It is relatively economical mode of transport for bulky and heavy goods. Means it is good for the, it's in our budget for this transport is in our budget for heavy goods like crude oil, cement, iron ore and heavy machineries. It does not need much infrastructure like roads, railway tracks and stations, because for the rail transport we need the railway tracks, for road transport we need the roads, but in the for waterways we don't need the much infrastructure. Water transport requires large investment on ships and their maintenance and ports. But in water transport, we need the large investment on ships and its maintenance. Next is waterways. India has about 14,500 km of navigable waterways, which comprise rivers, canals, backwaters, creeks, etc. These are the waterways. Some of the famous and busy waterways are, which are the important and busy waterways are, the Ganga between Allahabad and Haldia, 1602 km. The Sadia Dubri stretch of river Brahmaputra, 891 km. The the Kollan Kottapuram stretch of west coast canal along Champkara and Udyog Mandal canals of 205 km, and about 50 million tons of cargoes are ships, is transported every year by inland water transport in the country. Means every year they are sending the near about 50 million tons of cargo which transported by the inland water transport.